Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is my 4-month review of the Worksport AL3 Pro hard folding tonneau cover. I've been running this cover for 4 months now on my 2015 F150 with a 5.5 foot bed. It's kept my gear and tools dry and dust free and secure, and it's just performed amazing. I'm giving away a new AL3 Pro cover to one lucky viewer. All you need to do to enter to win is if you have a 2015 to 2024 F150 with a 5.5 foot bed, you need to subscribe to my channel, Jacob's Upgrades, and also drop in the comments below the word Worksport. I'll be raffling this off on August 1st, 2024, so make sure to get your entry in before then.
The official giveaway rules have been listed in the video description below.
All right, let's get into the review. The AL3 Pro is a 3-panel aluminum folding tonneau cover and it has a ceramic coated diamond shield finish to prevent dents and scratches. After releasing the single quick latch at the rear, it can be folded up twice for full bed access. Now, this is how it stores here. You can buckle it at the cab on both sides so that you can utilize the cover open while hauling in case you have any taller items. Now, the only downside is this cover doesn't fold up against the cab. So the advantage is there is 2 quick release latches at the bottom here. You just hand unscrew them and then you can totally remove the cover for full bed access when needed. This cover has a quick, easy, no drill installation with minimal tools. This latch plate here at the rear is the only thing that you need to install other than the weather stripping and the cover itself. There's only 2 of these latch plates to install at the rear of the truck, one on each side of the bed for that single release. The AL3 Pro cover utilizes a triple fin gasket to keep all water, dust, and debris out from entering the cover. Now this cover has kept water and dust out way better than my Retrax cover that costs almost twice as much as this cover. So it really keeps a good seal, keeping all that water, rain, even going through the car wash. I haven't gotten any water coming in around these seals. I really like the low profile, clean looking appearance of the AL3 Pro. Complements the body lines of the truck and looks like it was installed from the factory. One thing about the AL3 Pro cover is it sits inboard a little bit on the rails, so I still have access to the stake pockets if I need them to tie anything down that's taller. The Worksport AL3 Pro cover has a 3-year ironclad warranty and lifetime customer support. That's really hard to beat for a tonneau cover. So I've taken this cover on a few road trips now. I've also used it for hauling gear and tools around town. The truck has been parked outside the entire time, exposed to the elements, and it's held up really well. All right, so let's get into the pros and cons. My pros are, it's a solid, secure cover that can't be cut into like a vinyl cover, keeping my tools and gear secure from theft. Another pro is the sleek, low profile appearance, giving it a nice clean look. The quick latch system allows for bed access and removal of the cover. It's a lightweight aluminum cover that allows for easy folding and also no rust. Most importantly, this cover is backed by a 3-year warranty with lifetime customer support. All right, so now let's get into the cons. My number 1 con is this cover doesn't fold all the way up against the cab. This is as far as it folds up. But with the 2 hand screws, you can unscrew it and totally remove the cover if you need full bed access. The other con is, due to there only being 4 latch points, the cover can shift at times, making it a little difficult to close at the rear, especially if you're hauling with it in the open position. It will close, you just kind of like have to shift it a little bit, so it's just something to be aware of. So overall, if you want a high quality 3-panel folding tonneau cover, look no further than the Worksport AL3 Pro folding tonneau cover, backed by a 3-year warranty and lifetime customer support. I've included the link for it in the description below, so make sure to click on that, check it out. And don't forget, if you want to be included in the giveaway for a free AL3 Pro cover valued at $950, if you have a 2015 to 2024 F150 with a 5.5 foot short bed, please subscribe to the channel and drop Worksport in the comments below. I'll be raffling this off on August 1st, 2024, so make sure to get your entry in before then.
The official giveaway rules have been listed in the video description below.
Thanks for watching.